Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to explain about the topic creep and shrinkage uh, in precessor concrete. Last class we discussed about precessed concrete introduction, advantages and disadvantages. What are the processes? What are the methodologies? Last class we will discuss pre-tensioning. What is pre-tensioning? What is post-tensioning? Today, second lecturer will discuss creep and shrinkage or precessed concrete, how to affect, how to prevent that type of creep and how to and shrinkage for precessed concrete. Definition: what is creep? Creep is time-dependent deformation of concrete under permanent loads, self-weight, PT forces, and permanent uh, displacement. That means creep is for a long time procedure, long time process. That means self-weight, PT forces, and permanent displacement. Uh, is main concept of creep, that acting on the load particular element like beam or column, deformations will be formed internally. Load distribution uh, distribution will be start in particular element acting on the member. um, Deformation will be start. This long time is going to creep will be change. Creep will be increase when concrete is subjected to compressive loading in deforms instantaneously. Deformation this immediate deformation is called instantaneous strain. Now, if the load is maintained for a considerable period of time, concrete undergoes additional deformation even without any increase in the load. This time dependent strain is termed as creep. That is the main concept of creep. The concrete undergoes additional deformation, maintaining for a considerable period of time. This this is the main concept of creep. Strain will be increases particular time. The strain will be increased. Long time will be taken instantaneously. Strain will be increased. That creep is developed particular member. Creep. See the picture acting on the load particular member like floor, slab, any element. Cracks will be formed. Strain will be increased. That means creep will be increases particular time. Uh, Failures will be occur. Mainly normal concrete or reinforced concrete or precessed concrete, creep and shrinkage will develop definitely for the concrete members. See this picture also. Uh, some long-term will be taken. Structural elements acting on the load continuously, increasing the strain, develop the creep, and cracks will be developed. Simultaneously, failure will be occur. See this picture, just like creep, cracks will be formed. Factors affecting creep. Mainly, what are the factors affecting on the creep? Concrete mix proportion. First one is concrete mix proportion. Second one, aggregate properties, age at loading, curing conditions, cement properties, temperature, stress level. These are the main factors affecting developed the creep in concrete members. Mixed proportion, concrete mixed proportion, just like for example 1:2:3, that is the proportion. 1 is cement, 2 is fine aggregate, 3 is coarse aggregate. Second one, aggregate properties, main important aggregate properties. That means quality for the aggregates. Age at loading, the age at loading for the construction of lifetime. Age means lifetime for the construction. Lifetime will be increases. Creep also increasing particular time, acting on the loading on the particular building or particular element or particular structure. Next one, curing conditions. Curing condition is very, very important. Mainly three types of minimum types of curings. First one 3 days, second one 7 days, another one maximum 28 days. 28 days will give purely curing, gain the strength maximum strength will gain. Cement properties also important. Cement property is also important. Quality cement will be maintained. Temperature conditions also important. Variation of temperature, increasing temperature or decreasing temperature. Stress level, very, very important. The load acting on the element, stress will be developed. Stress increases, strain also increases. That is the Hooke's law. Stress is directly proportional to strain in particular element or particular material, any type of material, any type of element, any type of structure. Stress analysis is also very, very important. These factors affecting creep will be occurs any type of concrete, precessed concrete or reinforced concrete. Next, concrete mix proportions. The amount of paste cement and its quality is one of the most important factors influencing the creep. A poor paste structure undergoes higher creep. Creep increases with increases in water cement ratio. This is a very important point for creep for concrete mix proportions. Mainly, was water cement ratio is main concept for mixed proportion. Water cement ratio is a very, very important point. Any type of concrete. Quality is the one of the most important. Quality means good quality means good quality. That means good strength. Good quality gives good strength. A poor paste structure undergoes higher creep. Taken poor material, qualityless material used, creep also increase. High creep is increasing. Another one is third point is water cement ratio also increase. Increase or decrease. Water cement ratio will be maintained constant. It go to good strength, good strength, and creep will be resisted. Water cement ratio will be important thing for concrete mix proportion. Creep is inversely proportional to the strength of concrete. All other factors which are affecting the water cement ratio are also affecting the creep. See the picture: sand, water, cement, cement, and concrete, mortar, hydrated lime. These are the mainly affecting for creep. Creep is inversely proportional to the strength of concrete. All other factors which are affecting the water cement ratio are also affecting the creep. Mainly, all other things for water cement ratio is very important thing for affecting creep. Aggregate properties. Aggregate undergoes very little creep. It's really the paste which is responsible for the creep. Aggregates influence creep. of concrete through a resisting effect on the magnitude of creep. Mainly 3 points. Aggregate undergoes very little creep. Mainly aggregates will give little bit of creep. It's really that paste which is responsible for the creep. Mainly cement water paste is the main point. This gives the develop the creep. Aggregates influence creep of concrete through a resisting effect on the magnitude of creep. The higher the modulus of velocity, the less is the creep. Lightweight aggregate shows a substantially higher creep than normal weight concrete. Normal weight concrete. That means weight of aggregates also impacting for developing the creep in concrete. The higher the modulus of velocity is, the less is the creep. Higher modulus is very important for aggregate modulus of velocity, and shows the substantially higher creep than normal weight concrete. Lightweight concrete shows higher creep than normal weight aggregate. See, lightweight aggregates are mainly affecting for creep, high, all of the higher creep. Aggregate properties, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. See these pictures for fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. Age at loading, at the third affecting for creep. Age at which a concrete member is loaded will have a predominant effect on the magnitude of creep. The quality of gel improves with the time. Such gel creeps less, whereas a young gel under loading being not so stronger creeps more. Age age at which a concrete member is loaded will have a predominant effect on the magnitude of creep. The quality of gel improves with time. Such gel creeps less, whereas a younger gel under load being not so stronger creeps more. That is a very important 3 points. Age at loading. That means member loading have predominant effect. That means magnitude and improving the resisting the loading, resisting the force, less creep will be developed. Is at loading, the moisture content of the concrete being different at a different age also influence the magnitude of creep. The structure constructed after a long life go to for just like 5 years or 10 years. The moisture content of the concrete being different at a different age also influences the magnitude of concrete. Age increases the particular building age is increases for moisture content or a temperature uh, acting on the structure, the creep will be increased. The creep is influence a particular concrete structure. Factors affecting creep: strain along to y-axis, uh, along to x-axis, time since application of load days. See this graph: strain on application of load 500 kilonewtons, 1000 kilonewtons, 1500 kilonewtons. Number of days increasing: 50 days, 100 days, 150 days, 200 days. Instances recovery is there, creep recovery. C. Another one, third one, residual deformation. Residual deformation. This is the graph for a creep. how to affect the structure in various days, and strain will be increase or decrease. Number of days increase or decrease. The creep is 3 times instantial recovery, creep recovery, residual deformation. This is the graph for factor affecting creep. Curing addition. Curing. In view of the smallness of creep strains, the amount of water expelled during creep from the microporous into the microporous must also be small, probably much less than 0.1 percentage of the volume of concrete, since typically creep strains do not exceed 0.001, and even this is not due entirely to water but also to expelled solids. Larger the curing, smaller the creep. That is the main concept. Curing gives uh, use 100 percentage strength for 28 days. For increasing the life of structure, strength will be also increased. Certain time, creep also impact the structure. Larger the curing, smaller the creep. Facts affecting creep curing condition. Series picture. Cement. Next one, cement properties. The type of cement affects creep in so far as to, sorry, the type of cement affects creep in so far as it influences the strength of the concrete at the time of application of load. Fineness of cement affects the strength development at earlier ages and thus influence creep. Fineness of cement. That means to test the cement, fineness of the cement initial setting time and final setting time. Uh, Mainly cement test shedding, quality cement will be taken. Otherwise, creep will be affecting on the structure. Influence the strength of the concrete at the time of application of load. Cement properties very important. Mainly, quality cement will be taken into construct the structure. Otherwise, the creep will be increased. Fineness of cement also is very important. The finer the cement, the higher its gypsum requirements, so that regridding of cement in laboratory without the addition of gypsum produces an improperly retarded cement, which exhibits high creep. Actually, cement properties will be changes. Adding the admixtures and adding the chemical properties, the cement will be changed. Cement, different types of cements are there. Ordinary Portland cement, Portland Pozola cement, high heat cement, high heat resistant cement, high strength concrete, high strength cement. The types of cements are there. Waterproof cement, type of cement the goes type of cement is nothing but type of concrete. Addition to another adding to cement, the creep also will be increased. The cement proportion will be decreases. Cement content will be decreases. Adding another admixture like gypsum, fly ash, adding a cement, the creep will be increased. Next one, temperature. The rate of creep increase with the temperature up to about 70 degrees centigrade when for 1:7 mix and 0.6 water cement ratio. This very important point. The creep increases in 70 degree centigrade and 1:7 mixed proportion, and 0.6 for a water cement ratio. It is approximately 3.5 times higher than at 21 degrees centigrade. Between 7 degrees and 96 degrees, it drops off to 1.7 times that 21 degrees centigrade. This is the temperature for affecting in creep in concrete precious concrete structures. As far as low temperature is considered freezing, produces a higher initial rate of creep, but it quickly drops to zero. As far as low temperature is considered, freezing produces a higher initial rate of creep, but it quickly drops to zero. That means low temperature freezing produces initial rate of creep, higher initial rate of creep, but it quickly drops to zero. The temperature between 100 degrees centigrade and 300 degrees creep is about one half of creep at 210 degrees centigrade. 210 degrees centigrade. One half of creep will be developed. See, this main concept for temperature, variation of temperature, increasing or decreasing. Some creep will be developed in particular element, particular structure in any type of concrete, just like reinforced concrete and precessed concrete. Stress level. There is a direct proportion between creep and applied stress. There is no lower limits of proportionality because concrete undergoes creep even at a very low stress. Higher the stress, higher will be the creep. Mainly, any structure failure mainly loading ultimate load, maximum load, acting on the member, acting on the element. Maximum stress will be developed. Maximum creep also developed. Stress due to maximum stress and gives maximum creep to develop the cracks and to cross the maximum stress, to cross the maximum load, to cross ultimate load, the structure will be failure to form first cracks and failure the structure. This is the main concept for stress analysis in concrete structures. Strain and time. So drying creep, basic creep. That is, two members are called total creep. Another one is shrinkage. Another nominal elastic strain. The limit state design taken into account. Strain analysis will be taken and stress analysis also taken. Relationship between creep and elastic deformations, where sigma CR equal to C sigma EL pi psi equal to sigma by E 28 into pi. See where sigma CR equal to creep strain, sigma EL equal to elastic strain, sigma equal to stress. That means it belongs to E belongs to CR, E belongs to EL, E belongs to CR equal to creep strain, E belongs to EL equal to elastic strain, sigma equal to stress, capital E 28 equal to elastic modulus of concrete at age of 28 days. That means 28 days elastic modulus of concrete after 28 days will be taken. Pi equal to creep factor. The ratio creep strain and elastic strain. Creep strain and elastic strain. will be taken account into after 28 days. Creep and elastic deformations. This is the relationship between elastic and creep. Duration of loading. Along to y-axis, total elastic and creep strain. Along to x-axis, duration of loading. Instantiation deformations. Take this, see this graph. 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, 56, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. See the creep of 2 will be 7 days, taken into 3.72, 14 days, 3.3, 28 days, 2.5, 2.57, 56 days, 2.22, 3 months, 6 months, 1.70, 1 year, 1.44. See the creep strain and elastic increasing the months, days, and years goes to creep will be decreased. 7 days 3.72, 14 days 3.03, 2.0 is the creep strain instantiation deformation. This is the instantiation deformation. That means constant gradually deforms. This is the creep analysis affecting creep on concrete structures. In reinforced concrete beams, creep increases the deflection with time and may be a critical consideration in design. Reinforced concrete beams, creep increases the deflection with the time and may be a critical consideration in design. See this picture, just like reinforced concrete may be acting on the load, deformation will be, deflection will be occur, creep will be increases, affecting creep on concrete structures. In eccentrically loaded columns, creep increases the deflection and can load to buckling. Column failures, there are two types of failures. One is buckling, another one is crippling. Crippling and buckling. Long columns buckling, short columns for crippling. Two failures are taken into account for column structures. Loss of prestress due to creep of concrete in prestressed concrete structure. See, losses are there in for prestressed concrete, different types of losses. Prestressed members due to creep. Effects of creep on concrete structures. Creep property of concrete will be useful in all concrete structures to reduce the internal stresses due to non-uniform load or restrained sinkage. This is the main concept for affecting the creep in concrete structures. Internal stresses due to non-uniform load or restrained sinkage. In mass concrete structures such as dams and account to of differential temperature conditions at the interior and surface, creep is harmful and by itself may be a cause of cracking in the interior of dams. In mass concrete structures such as dams, on account of differential temperature conditions at the interior and surface, creep harmful and by itself may be a cause of cracking in the interior of dams. See this picture, temperature will be increased, temperature conditions will be taken into account, and mass of concrete and mass of concrete, that means large concrete, that means volume of concrete is taken into large. A large large amount of concrete will be used. This type of structures, the temperature also increasing, creep will be developed, cracks will be formed. This is the main affecting for large structures, mass of concrete. Definition. Next one is shrinkage. Shrinkage. What is shrinkage? Shrinkage is shortening of concrete due to drying and is independent of applied loads. Shrinkage of concrete is the time dependent strain measured in an uploaded and unrestrained specimen at a constant temperature. Mainly, shrinkage means shortening of concrete. Shortening of concrete is nothing but that means voids. That means voids will be formed. Voids will be formed and unloaded and an unstained specimen at a constant temperature. Time dependent also will be taken. Temperature will be taken to form a shrinkage. See this picture just like shrinkage. See this picture. Cracks will be formed due to shrinkage. Voids. Factors affecting shrinkage. Drying condition, time, water cement ratio. Drying condition, time, water cement ratio. The three factors affecting for shrinkage. Drying condition, the most important factor is the drying condition or the humidity in the atmosphere. No shrinkage will occur if the concrete is placed in 100% relative humidity. Relative humidity. Main drying means the most important factor is the drying condition or the humidity in the atmosphere. No shrinkage will be occur if the concrete is placed 100% relative humidity. That means humidity is the main factor for shrinkage. Important factor drying condition and humidity. The shrinkage rate will decrease rapidly with time. It has been documented that 14 to 34% of the 20 years shrinkage will occur within 2 weeks of it being poured. Within 1 year of the concrete being poured, shrinkage will be about 60 to 60 to 66 to 85 percentage of the 20-year shrinkage. Time duration will be taken for rapidly and gradually. First one, 34% of the 20-year shrinkage will be occur. 34%. With 1 year of the concrete being poured, shrinkage will be about 66 to 85% of the 20-year shrinkage. 20-year shrinkage will be occur within 2 weeks. 20-year shrinkage will be occur within 2 weeks of it being poured. Within 1 year of the concrete being poured, shrinkage will be about 66 to 85% of the 20-year shrinkage. Water cement ratio. The water cement ratio will be influence the amount of shrinkage that occurs. The concrete reaches also affects the shrinkage. The process of swelling and the drying affect the concrete integrity and the shrinkage. The main affecting factors, the three factors will be taken into account for developing the shrinkage in precessor concrete. Humidity condition, swelling and time taken and water cement ratio will be taken into account. See the first one, drying condition. The most important factor is the drying condition or humidity, the humidity in the atmosphere. Most of this important factor, drying. Mainly, what is drying? Drying means no moisture content. That means drying condition means contact with mm, temperature, contact with water, contact with mm, atmosphere, contact with this these conditions will be taken for affecting the shrinkage. No shrinkage will occur if the concrete is placed in 100% relatively humidity. 100% humidity, that means no shrinkage will occur. No shrinkage will be occur in 100% relatively humidity. Time also, shrinkage rate will decrease rapidly with the time. The shrinkage rate will decrease rapidly with time. It has been documented to 34% of the 20-year shrinkage will occur within 2 weeks of it being poured. Within 1 year of the concrete being poured, shrinkage will be about 66 to 85% of the 20-year shrinkage. See this comparison of shrinkage. Shrinkage time will be taken into account. Time is increasing after hardening of concrete. Time will be taken into increased stage. Shrinkage also increases. These three second factor. This is the second factor affecting for shrinkage. Um, Shrinkage rate will decreases rapidly with time. Shrinkage rate will be changing time, variation of time. The shrinkage rate will be decrease with rapid time. Water cement ratio. Next one, the water cement ratio will influence. Water cement ratio is main important affecting the factor. Creep also, water cement ratio also. Last time last first one I will already explain creep conditions affecting the creep. The water cement ratio also affecting the creep. Shrinkage will be also taken into account. Water cement ratio also affecting the shrinkage. The water cement ratio will influence the amount of shrinkage that occurs. The concrete reaches also affects the shrinkage. The process of swelling and then drying affects the concrete's integrity and the shrinkage. Water cement ratio is very important. Any type of concrete. Creep and shrinkage, both factors affecting for water cement ratio. The concrete reaches also affects the shrinkage. Another one, the process of swelling. Swelling means the just like bubble, and then drying affects the concrete integrity and the shrinkage. See, swellings how to form swellings are just like water bubble, just like layer, different uh, surface contact. This called swelling. Drying affects mainly humidity of the water, also humidity factor also influence the affecting the shrinkage. Types of shrinkage: plastic shrinkage, dry shrinkage, autogeneous shrinkage, carbonation shrinkage. These are the four types of shrinkages. Types of shrinkages: plastic shrinkage, drying shrinkage, autogeneous shrinkage, carbonation shrinkage. Carbonation shrinkage. These four important topics for shrinkage. Next class I will explain types of shrinkage. Today discussed about what is creep, what is shrinkage, what are the factors affecting shrinkage and creep in pre-stressed concrete taken into account. First definition: creep. What is creep? Definition of creep: creep is time dependent deformation of concrete under permanent loads. That is the main definition of creep. Another one, shrinkage. What is shrinkage? Shrinkage definition is taken into what is shrinkage. Shrinkage is shortening of concrete. That means voids, creating voids. That is main thing of main concept of shrinkage. Thank you. Next class I will be explain types of shrinkages, uh, how to uh, how to expose, how to create, how to implement for this precious concrete. Next class I will be explaining. Thank you this golden opportunity.